Good afternoon. Welcome to Daily Currency Update from the Currency Desk. On Thursday, we saw a weaker opening for the Indian rupee due to strong pressure from the domestic and the international cues. On the international front, there are fears that the Federal Reserve will reduce its quantitative easing size, and due to these fears, we have seen the US dollar strengthen on Thursday morning against all the major currencies. Similar situation was witnessed against the Indian rupee as well. On the domestic front, we are seeing a lot of demand from the importers. In the recent months of April and May, there have been record high imports of gold, which are spanning around 30 to 40% of the actual imports which are done throughout the year. So based on this, we could expect some buying from those importers of commodities as the dollar continues to move towards a lifetime high. Today in the morning session, we expect the Indian rupee to open strong. This was because of the strength in the euro, pound and other risk-on currencies. This is mainly being attributed to the fact that yesterday we had a better than expected jobless claims data from the US front, which showed a reduction in the unemployment claims. In the morning session, Korean won, Taiwan dollar and other Asian currencies were trading up to 0.5% higher. Though we have seen a strong opening for the US dollar, if the close today is above 57 levels, we could well see the US dollar break the lifetime high of 57.30. Coming to the European front, we witnessed strong rally in the euro yesterday against the Indian rupee, despite the euro USD rate being largely constant. This was mainly because of the fact that we had some strength in the USD INR pair. There was German factory orders released on Thursday, but it did not have much impact on the movement of euro USD, and it remained largely flat ahead of the ECB meet. In the ECB meet, we had some positive statements which included upward revision of growth forecast for the year 2014. Also, the ECB has clearly indicated that it would not opt for any rate cut in the near term, though it did not completely eliminate the idea of negative interest rates. But for the time being, we will not expect any rate cuts from the European front. And based on this news, we saw the euro rally against the US dollar and the Indian rupee as well. Today again, we have seen the euro INR pair cross above 75.50 levels. Coming to pound, the pound remained largely flat yesterday, only moving up on the back of gains due to the relative weakness in the Indian rupee against the US dollar. The strength in the GBP USD was seen after the US data that came in after the Indian markets closed yesterday. Today again we expect the pound to remain strong against the Indian rupee. What could support it is if we have a positive data from the UK in form of a reduction in deficit of the trade balance. But yes, even though if the trade balance does not come as per expected, we could still expect the pound to remain strong, as investors or traders are expected to remain cautious ahead of another jobless claims data which is due to be released today in the evening session. We had the BOE monetary policy meeting yesterday. Not much of an indication came in from the BOE, though the current policy interest rates and the monetary easing size both remain constant. We can expect the pound to take cues on the crucial jobs data today to be released from the US market. Coming to Japanese yen, the Japanese yen opened much stronger on Thursday and continued to rally further on from support from the USD JPY pair as well as a strong support from the USD INR pair. Currently it is trading at 96.50 levels against the US dollar. we can expect the current rally to increase or take further momentum in the near term, as there is a lot of safe haven buying in the Japanese yen, as well as markets consider the psychological level of 100 has been broken into. Today the US jobs data would be crucial to see what movement can be expected in the near term. The Japanese yen hit upper circuit against the Indian rupee today at 59.46 levels, one of the rare events to be seen in the currency markets. It has come down from there on, and the only data that would matter and give a direction to the Japanese yen rate is the jobs data today. If 59.50 is broken on the upper side, we could well see the Japanese yen move above 60 levels against the Indian rupee. Thank you.